Good day, Liam from tutortouch here, and in today's video I'll be giving a quick tech tip on how to properly use your stylus within your Note program. To begin, when you select the stylus option, you'll see there are three options to choose from, such as your finger. For today's video, my finger will be set to a yellow highlighter, the tip of the pen, which is set to smart writing the color black, as well as the back side of the stylus, which is the standard writing option set to the color red. This allows for quick swapping between highlighting, marking or annotating, as well as writing or answering. Thanks for watching.